Hello everyone, we are back. Let's try to create this slide presentation. Now let's see how it looks like. It looks amazing. If you like to create something like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's try to create it. At first we need our picture, but how we get our picture? This is the picture we have. Let me just make it to full size. Okay, it's full size. Now we have the picture. What we are going to do, we need to copy the picture, and in new slide we set it as a background. How? We just cut the picture and format background and picture crop. The important thing is that we need to reduce the size, the color of the shape to look like something like night. It's good. And we need to, after changing that, we need to copy the text. This is just a simple text, nothing more. This is just a simple text. I use Overdrive Sunset for the font and this for the format. Okay. And after that, we need to add our picture that we have. This is our picture. Sorry, we need to add our picture here. What I'm doing. And I need to crop it and reduce it in size to something like this. After cropping that, I need to press Ctrl to make it size like this. Then everything is okay. Now we need to copy the text. Okay, put the text here. Bring it a little down. Everything is ready. We copy that. You see, we must apply the background to all of the pages. We go to picture format, crop, and increase it in size. Okay, I think it's enough. Send it to back. After sending it to back, we need to reduce the size of China. Okay. And delete this thing. After deleting this thing, we need to give it a little more light, something like this. I like it. And here also everything is okay. We have our picture. Now we need to add our text. The text is down here. We bring it forward just simply, and everything is okay. Now let's see how our slide is looked like. We set the transition to morph and everything has been created. Let's see it. You see it has a great effect. If you like presentation like this, please like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments.